In this video, I will explain the arc voltage, restriking voltage, and recovery voltage. Okay. So here I will explain the three voltages which associated with the operation of circuit breaker. So three voltages are: the first one is arc voltage, second one restriking voltage, third one recovery voltage. Okay. So these three voltages are very important as the circuit breaker operation is concerned. So these three voltage occur between the two contact of the circuit breaker. Whether it is arc voltage, whether it is restriking voltage, whether it is restriking voltage, all the voltages appear across the two contacts of the circuit breaker. Okay. Only thing is the duration or instant in which three voltages are varying. So first we explain the arc voltage. So arc voltage is nothing but it is the voltage across the contact. Okay, it is the voltage across the contact of circuit breaker during the arcing period. So arcing period means we know that when the fault occur, the circuit breaker contacts get separated and arc is generated between the contact. So at the time, the voltage across the contact, that is arc voltage. Okay, so the arc voltage is generated from the point at which fault occur up to the fault cleared point. So that is arc voltage. Next one is restriking voltage. So restriking voltage also a voltage between the two contacts of the circuit breaker. Okay. So here it is a transient voltage across the contact at zero or near. Okay. At or near current zero during the arcing period. Next one is recovery voltage. So recovery voltage is also the voltage between the contacts of the circuit breaker after the final arc extinction. Okay, after the final arc extinction. So it is approximately equal to the system voltage. So here you can see a graph. So this graph explains the all three voltages: arc voltage, restriking voltage, and recovery voltage. Okay. So here the circuit voltage, this dotted sinusoidal waveform that represent the normal circuit voltage. Okay. So here in this instant, at this point, the fault occur. Okay. At this point, the fault occur, so that a short circuit current. So this is the short circuit current. So at the point of fault occurring point, a short circuit current is generated. So this is the short circuit current. Okay. So at the time, the contacts get separated. So the voltage during the arcing period, voltage between the contact during the arcing period is known as arc voltage. So arc voltage is start from the point at which fault occur. So this is the arc voltage. And this arc voltage, and this arc voltage extend up to the arc recovery point. So this is the arc recovery point. Okay. So the voltage appear across the contact during the arcing period. So during the arcing period means it's arcing period which starts from the fault occurrence time and it lasts up to the recovery point. Okay. So the voltage across the contact during the arcing period is arc voltage. Second one is restriking voltage. So what is restriking voltage? It is also the voltage between the contact at or near current zero, at or near short circuit current zero point. Okay. So from the figure we can see that. So this is the current zero point. Okay. So here the short circuit is generated, and this is the first current zero point, and the second current zero point is this is the second current zero point. So during this time, okay, at this point, okay, a voltage is generated, a transient voltage is generated. that is restriking voltage. So restriking voltage is nothing but the voltage across the contact at 0 or near the 0 point. Okay, so it is a transient voltage. Next one is recovery voltage. So what is recovery voltage? Recovery voltage is also the voltage between the contacts of circuit breaker after the final arc extinction. So where the arc is extinguished, so from this point, okay, you can see that arcing, this is the arcing period. Okay, so this is the end of the arcing period. So after this point, you can see that a voltage, so this is the recovery voltage. Okay, so after the arc voltage and restriking voltage, the voltage again it become a normal voltage. Okay, because this is the system voltage. So if you extend this dotted line, so both the recovery voltage and system voltage overlap, or it become in same line. Okay, so recovery voltage and circuit voltages are same. So we can say that arc voltage is the voltage between the contacts during the arcing period. Okay, so we start the arcing period from here and it end up to this point. Then what is restriking voltage? It is the voltage across the contacts at or near the current 0 point. So this is the current 0 point. So at or near the point, a voltage appear across the contact, that is restriking voltage. So recovery voltage means after the final arc extinction. So here is the point at which the arc is extinguished. So after this point, the voltage again it come close to the circuit voltage. So that is recovery voltage. Thank you.